Hey kids, how's it going? Guess what? We have reached the end of nail week. I know some of you guys are like, yay, finally, no more fingernails. But in actuality, it's only been 6 days. I mean, come on. 6 days is nothing compared to the whole Project 48 days. So 42 of these you're gonna see my stupid face. Since yesterday was a total fail and you didn't get to see how to do the plaid print, I'm going to do a different one today. But I'm going to do a different colors. So it's still going to be a brand new look. I told you 48 new looks in 48 days. So this is a new look. It's just the same technique. So now you can actually see how to do it. And I figured out what happened yesterday and it was something stupid and blah blah blah. But so we're going to do it over. Today's a do-over. So we're going to do a more traditional plaid print. This is going to be like a tartan print, like on a Scottish kilt, and it should go along well with my heritage since we're Scottish, right, Mimo? We're Scottish.
Absolutely.
Okay. Whether that was a lie or not.
No.
Okay, good. Good, we're Scottish. So I thought. My first color is going to be Red Carpet from Sally Hansen. It is a glitter red. It's pretty freaking sweet. So let's get that started by applying it all over our nails. Someone's Swedish though too, right?
That's my dad. His mother's mother came from Sweden.
Well, I know I certainly do not look Swedish.
You're a 16th Cherokee.
Oh. So I've got my red on there. It's a little messy, but I'll clean that up later on. Next I'm going to take my Sally Hansen nail art pen, the black, and I'm going to do three lines of black right down the center. And now we're going to do 3 lines horizontally. So we'll let these dry and then I will be back and we'll finish up our tartan print here. What are you doing, bird? Okay, now that our black is dried, I'm going to take the Sally Hansen white. You can't get it in the shot. There it is. The white art pin. And we're going to... that scared me. We're going to do a line of white right next to the black there. Same thing here, and then here, and here. Happy Go Lucky from China Glaze. It's bright yellow, and I have this little paintbrush. It's a really fine-tipped paintbrush. It's by Master's Touch. It's the liner brush here on the outer edge. My yellow dried out while I was talking. Are they playing yet, or do they play later?
Well, I'm sorry. No.
Okay, my next color is going to be green, and it doesn't like to show up very bright without a base. So what I'm going to do while this is drying is go ahead and use my white color again just to draw the kind of primer of this, and then I'll paint over that with the green so that you'll be able to actually see it better on here. So my line for the green is going to kind of go opposite of the yellow, so it'll go right here in between. Ooh, that was way too much. Right in between right there. I'll just have to remember where the green goes. My green color tonight is going to be China Glaze's Paper Chasing. It's kind of a sheer green, so that's another reason for the white base here. And I'm just going right over what I applied. So in the end, I wasn't really happy with that. So I'm going to show you how to fix your mistake, just because it happens. We're all guilty of it, and I'm not perfect. That is definitely Definitely true. So I just took a Q-tip with some acetone on it and went over my green line on this nail here. Now I took off a little too much red, as you can see up at the top, so I will just take my red color again and kind of fill in the holes where needed. Now that needs to dry because you can't really draw over that. But then I'm just going to go back in with the white and make my same grid pattern that I had on there originally. Actually, I need to go in with the black first too. Remember, it was 3 lines down the center and then 3 lines. So 3 lines horizontally and 3 lines vertically. So this is vertical, this is horizontal. And then I had 2 lines of white and then 2 lines of white. So I'm just going to do that over again, and my yellow is pretty much okay. And then I'm going to do with the green what I did on this finger, which was just painted it over without a base. That way it still kind of showed through everything, and I think it worked really well, and it looks more like a tartan print. So this is my finished nail. Okay, so I'm going to fix these and I'll take some pictures, and that's all for today. So I really hope that you like this kind of plaid pattern. You can do it more like the plaid that I showed you guys yesterday in the video, or you can do it like this, which is more of a tartan kind of kilt almost plaid, which tartan is. I think it's the type of plaid. I don't know the definition. I'm sure you guys know more than I do, especially if you guys are really Scottish out there. But I hope that you like this. It could be really fun. If you are Scottish and you have, or you're of Scottish origin and you have your own tartan print, you can recreate that on your nails, which would be really cool for any kind of special occasion, or any time you would be wearing your family print. So. Alright, I will see you guys tomorrow. This is our last nail day, so tomorrow you'll see my face. I hope you are looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to talking to you guys face to face and not having to use my fingers as a mode of communication. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!